Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the microphone when it's not working in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will just be checking the microphone privacy settings. So to do that, please open your settings by just making a right click here in the Windows icon and select the settings option. And then once you're already in the settings window, all you need to do is just to go to the privacy and security options here in the left pane. So once you click on that, you will get all sorts of options here under security section, the Windows permission section, and app permission section. So here all you need to do is just to go to the microphone settings. So find the microphone option under the app permissions, and then once you found it, all you need to do is just to allow the access. So make sure that you allow apps to access your microphone toggle is on. So let's just go to this microphone option here, and this is a toggle that I am saying. Please make sure that it is already on, as well as this one. This is the option for let apps access your microphone, and you can also have certain apps to access your microphone. For example, if you want for your Copilot application or software to have an access to your microphone, all you need to do is just to on this toggle key here, and you can do that simply by making a click on that, and then once you see that it turned blue, that means it's on. And another thing is to scroll down and ensure that any app you're using has access to the microphone. For example, just like Skype, if you're using Skype and you want it to access the microphone, you can also ensure that it is enabled. And also for the desktop apps, you can do the same thing. Just make sure that the toggle key for let desktop apps access your microphone is turned on, and just close this window. Test your microphone if it works, and if it works, then the issue is now fixed. If it doesn't, then we can do the second method, which is to check sound settings in control panel. So please go to your Windows search tab and there type control, and you will get under best match the control panel option. So please make a click on that, and then here all you need to do is just to look for the hardware and sound option. So if you're not seeing that, just please go to the view by options and then select the category 1, and you will now be seeing the hardware and sound option. Now once you click on that, you will get this sort of window here, this kind of window. So all you need to do is just to go to the sound settings and then click on sound. Here you will be setting the default microphone. So please click on the microphone, just go to the recording tab and check if your microphone is set to default, just like this one. I am using the GM20 USB microphone, so that's why as I speak this green here comes up, and I have set it already to default device. So just please make sure that you have already done the same. If not, then select it and then click set default. If you have just like this one, use this device and click on properties. So here all you need to do is just to make sure that you have already set this microphone as default. So just click on this button here, set default, and then you need also to click on your microphone and select properties, just like what we have done earlier. And after clicking on properties, we need to adjust microphone level. So in the levels tab, ensure the microphone level is higher than 0 or 50. So you can set it to maximum also if you want. Adjust if needed. Then once you're done with this one, just please click on apply and then click on OK. And once you have done all the process, just please close all the windows here and just make a quick restart with your computer to apply the changes. Now once you're back, your microphone should now be working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.